Is your iPhone playing too quiet when making calls? It could be due to device settings, accidental lockups, or dirty speakers. In this video, I'll show you how to deal with the problem. Watch till the end, I will share a useful trick. Firstly, open up your settings and find Accessibility section in the list. Now I want you to select Touch section, and from here find Call Audio Routing. After that, make sure to set this one to the automatic. This ensures that the sound is routed to the iPhone speaker. Then go back and again, and from here choose Hearing Devices. Great. Now you need to make sure to disable hearing aid compatibility if you are not using hearing aid. So make sure that switch is in the left position. Now go back in the main settings and find Sounds and Haptics. Then I want you to select Headphone Safety and disable to reduce loud audio by toggle off the switch. Or if you want to keep it enabled, then just make it at least 90 decibels or 100 decibels, as loud as an ambulance siren. Then you can go in volume limit and make sure that this one is turned off as well. And if you want to increase volume for ringtones and alerts, then you need to drag the slider to the right side. Just like that. Also, you can enable to change with buttons, and then when you'll be pressing volume up button, you will increase ringtone and alert sound. And make sure that there are no obstructions such as dirt or debris on the speakers. Remove the case and protective film and clean the area around the speakers with a toothpick or any other cleaning tool, just like that. If it didn't help, then the last advice is to restart your phone by pressing volume up and side button until the device turns off. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.